Hello guys, I am Suchi. I create videos on home automation and baby product, and in today's video I am going to talk about must-have products for work from home setup. If you haven't already, then please consider subscribing to my channel. Now let's start the video. Number one product is ergonomics chair. Is a chair. This kind of chair is has been designed to support the human body, including considerations like posture, comfort, support, and health. This kind of chair is must for work from home setup. It comes in both expensive range as well as reasonable price. So I have these two type of chairs, as you can see. One is little expensive, this one, and this will cost around 50k, and the other one is around 10k, which is a little within the budget. And these two chairs are very comfortable to sit for long hours and have long meetings. Second most important product is table. Like chair, table is also the important part for work from home setup. So this is the wooden table which I bought it within a economical range, and it will cost around 7,000. I like the color of this table. It gives really nice feeling to work on it, this white color table. It has one drawer. You can keep all your small essentials like pen, paper, notepad, earphones in this drawer, so that it will keep your table always neat and clean. It also has one footrest, and this, if you can stretch your budget, then you can consider buying a standing table in which height can be adjusted as per your need. Next item is laptop table with cooling fan. As summer has started, the laptop gets heated very soon and may shut, or laptop can damage its parts. So cooling part is really helpful. You can buy a laptop table like this, which has two fans for cooling the laptop. You can see the fan, and this kind of table will also be get adjusted according to the height and the angle for right viewing position. You can also take this table on bed and work there. Next type of item would be headset and speaker. While working from home, we generally need to attend lot of meetings and calls. Headset becomes one of the must-have items. There are a lot of different types of headset available from all the different brands. First type of headset which I have is wired headset with microphone. If you want better mobility, you can also buy some Bluetooth wireless headset for extra convenience. There are multiple options available, so you can go with this kind of headset. It's from Bosch, so it is little expensive, but you can also explore other brands with Bluetooth headset with noise cancellation. If you want some lighter option, you can go for wireless earphone with neck support. Further want lighter option, then you can go with this kind of truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds, for which I have created a separate video. Link will be given in the description box. Want completely contactless experience with Bluetooth speaker and microphone, so you can go with this JBL Charge 3. It's quite convenient for attending seminars and meetings. While working from home, there could be frequent power cut which might disconnect you from broadband, so you can buy a UPS which will come under budget of 3k and connect your internet router with UPS. Next item would be Wi-Fi router. If you are using an old Wi-Fi router, then you might struggle to get good connectivity across different corners of the house. Then you can think to upgrade it. My older router had some connectivity range problem, and speed was also less than 30 Mbps, so I upgraded my router to powerful TP-Link router, which gives good range along with up to 800 Mbps range. Next item would be Wi-Fi range extender. It's optional item only for people who have very big house with multiple stories. There you can use this Wi-Fi extender to increase the range of your broadband. Next item is wireless keyboard and mouse. If you are getting any pain in hand due to compact keyboard and mouse and laptop, I
I would suggest to try wireless mouse and keyboard, which can increase your efficiency. Next is webcam. These days most of the laptops has inbuilt webcam, so this is an optional item. Or you're using a desktop, then you can consider a webcam. Or if still you want a good video quality, then you can consider to buy such kind of webcam. Next is whiteboard. You can, if your work requires a lot of creativity, brainstorming and planning, then you can buy a small whiteboard to sketch your ideas. Next is extension code. As you might be using multiple devices like laptop, phone, etc., then you can consider to buy this kind of extension code.
Miss ring light. During video calls, sometimes there might not be enough light in the room. In that case, you can use this kind of portable ring light for your face. Item is phone stand. If you have to do lot of phone calls in your job, then you can have this kind of phone stand. It will be very convenient. Last but not the least, the most important item for work from home is the laptop. I'm assuming most of us has already got it from company, but if it is old, then you can upgrade it in the latest version for better efficiency. If you want a detailed demo on any of the specific items shown in the video, then please comment me below. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.